So a few tips about contouring. Number one, it's okay if you blend two shades together. So these are latte and cocoa. One is darker and one is lighter. I like to blend them, especially the time of the year. Then remember that when you first place the contour, that's where it's going to look stronger. So I like to place it right by the ears and then blend it from there. I'm using the small brush just so that you guys can see better. So I blend from there. Then another tip is you want to stop the application right where your eyebrow ends so that it doesn't start to cut into your face too much. So I stop it there, and then I would take my cheek brush, or my contour brush, and start blending away from that area. Then it becomes really natural looking. Okay, so it doesn't become too strong. There we go. Again, we're applying right in this area. Now, for the nose, you want to go very light and make sure that you not only just look at the front of your nose, but that you check your work also on a mirror on the profile to make sure that everything looks well blended. So that's the nose, and of course you can add some contour by the forehead and down on the chin and any other area that you might need. So just remember, blend, blend, blend.